Customize Control Center is now redesigned in iOS 18. Here, we will see how to add a new screen record shortcut to the Control Center and manage it. Earlier, we saw how to record screens with internal and external audio. You can learn more about this in the details given in the video description and pin comment. Swipe down from the top right corner to open the Control Center. To edit, touch and hold the blank space of the Control Center or tap on the plus button. Tap on Add a Control option, search for Screen Recording, and see the Record button shortcut. Tap on it to add. Now, we can change the default size by dragging it from the corner and making it bigger. Now, tap on the screen to exit from edit mode. Tap on it to start recording and record the external microphone. Then, tap on the microphone button to read and start recording. To stop recording, tap on Dynamic Leyland and tap on the stop button to stop and save the recording to the Photos app. That's it. I hope you liked this video. Please like, share, and subscribe to make this video more helpful to others. Also, comment for more help.